Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by finding the world files. Open File Explorer now, enable hidden items, and go to the local state path for Minecraft Bedrock. Once there, open games/com. Mojang/Minecraft Worlds and look at modified dates. This tells you which folder is your active world. Copy that folder name or select the entire folder. You're not done. Make an exact folder copy rather than moving it, because that preserves the original in case something goes wrong. Now make a durable backup. Copy and paste the selected world folder to a safe location such as desktop, an external drive, or a cloud-synced folder. Once done, compress the folder into a zip to reduce size and lock structure. This helps when transferring between devices. Make sure to include the world folder's exact name in the zip and label the file with date and time so you can pick the right version later. If you want redundancy, repeat the process for other worlds. To restore, close Minecraft, then paste your backup folder back into the Minecraft Worlds directory, replacing or renaming the original as needed. Once done, launch the game and load the world. If you see errors, make sure level dat and level name are present at the folder root. Missing files cause load failures. If corruption appears, extract the zip to a fresh folder and test it as a new world. If problems persist, use an earlier dated backup. Remember, always keep at least one.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.